Hi there, fellow real estate investor. Today, I want to share some incredible tax loopholes in the world of real estate that you need to know. Hold on a second. Tax loopholes? And those just shady shortcuts that only benefit the wealth? Not at all. These are perfectly legal strategies that anyone can use to minimize their tax savings in real estate. Let's start with the first loophole, shall we? It's called depreciation. By properly depreciating your real estate investment, you can deduct a portion of your property value each year, reducing your taxable income. Okay, what about those complicated tax codes and calculations? I understand. That's where having a knowledgeable accountant or tax advisor comes in. They can guide you through the process and help you take full advantage of these deductions. Now let's move on to the second loophole. 1031 exchange. It allows you to defer paying capital gain taxes when selling one investment property and buying another like kind of the property. I doubt it, but I won't eventually have to pay those taxes. No, that's where the beauty of 1031 exchange comes in. By continually reinvesting like kind of properties, you can defer those taxes indefinitely, potentially building your real estate empire even faster. So you see, these tax loopholes are not just for the elite. They are opportunity for everyday real estate investor like you and me to grow our wealth legally and intelligently. Yeah, I never look at it that way. Maybe there's more to this than meets the eye. Absolutely, with the right knowledge and expert guidance, you can unlock the power of these tax loopholes and make them work for you. And where did you learn all this? I follow Dahiri DHM Realty on TikTok.